Hey guys, it's your boy Easy. Today let's talk about your motorcycle's Cush drive. Cush drive, short for cushion drive, is just a piece of rubber-like material that sits between your motorcycle's rear sprocket carrier and your motorcycle's rear wheel hub. It's an often neglected item and it's usually out of sight, out of mind for most people. And the only time you'll really see it is when you take the rear wheel off the motorcycle. But it does serve an important purpose, so it's important to inspect it for wear periodically. Luckily, that's pretty easy to do, and I'll show you how on today's episode of Easy's Garage. So, as I mentioned earlier, your Cush drive or cushion drive fits snugly between your rear wheel hub and your rear sprocket carrier. And just like any cushion, its job is to make it more comfortable for your engine as well as you. It's supposed to soften driveline lash and protect your transmission, your sprocket, as well as your chain. Your Cush drive should last a very, very long time, but they do eventually wear. And when they wear, they compress and introduce free play between your wheel hub and your sprocket carrier. Worn out Cush drive will feel like a loose chain, and you'll feel a lurching sensation when you hit the throttle, and you'll feel a delayed response when you roll off the throttle for engine braking to kick in. So those are two classic signs of a worn-off Cush drive, and they are bad for your transmission and they're bad for your sprocket as well as your chain longevity. So it's important to inspect your Cush drive periodically. The best time to do it is obviously when you're changing tires and the rear wheel is already off the bike. And the way to do that is with your sprocket carrier attached to your rear wheel. Try to rotate it and feel for any free play. Ideally, there should be zero free play or very, very little free play, like less than 2 millimeters. And if that's the case, then your Cush drive is in good health. If you got a lot of free play, like more than 2 millimeters, well, your Cush drive is worn out and needs replacement. Luckily, these Cush drives are not very expensive at all, so go ahead and replace them. If it's not time to change tires yet, but you're experiencing shitty throttle response and a delayed response in engine braking, and you suspect your Cush drive is worn out, there's another way to check with your rear wheel on the bike, so you don't need to take the rear wheel off the bike. So let me show you how to check that right now. Put your bike in first gear and then roll your bike forward and back and look for any free play between your wheel hub and your sprocket carrier. Putting a piece of masking tape on the wheel hub and sprocket carrier makes it easier for you to spot any free play. So this is another way you can quickly check if your Cush drive is worn out and needs replacement. Now that you know what your Cush drive is and what it's for, make sure you go ahead and inspect your Cush drive every time you do a tire change. So this will increase the longevity of your transmission, your chain, and sprockets, and you won't have a shitty throttle response or delayed response to engine braking. Hope you guys like this video. If you did, hit the like and subscribe button. Until next time, it's your boy Easy. Take care.